Did you know some engines are so tough that they survive 500,000, 700,000, even 1 million miles without a rebuild? Today we're talking about the 13 car engines that can hit 1 million miles. From American V8s to Japanese 4-cylinders, these engines outlast owners and cars themselves. And at the very end, I'll show a legend that ran over 3 million miles. Yes, you heard me right, 3 million miles. Let's get started. Number 13, Chevrolet Small Block 350. We start the list with the most American engine on the market, and so, you know, it powered over 100 million vehicles. That engine is the legendary Chevrolet Small Block 350. For decades, this V8 sat under the hood of vehicles like the Chevrolet Silverado, Chevrolet Suburban, Chevrolet Camaro, and even the Chevrolet Corvette. Work trucks, family haulers, sports cars, you name it, the 350 powered it. But the real reason this engine earned a reputation for insane longevity is its design. The Small Block 350 uses a simple pushrod valve train, which means fewer moving parts compared to overhead cam engines. Fewer parts usually means fewer things that can fail over time. Then there's the block itself. It's a thick cast iron design built to handle abuse. Mechanics have seen these engines survive years of towing, poor maintenance, and hard driving. Change the oil, keep it cool, and the 350 will just keep running. Another advantage is parts availability. Because General Motors produce so many of them, replacement parts are everywhere. If something eventually wears out, rebuilding one is often straightforward and relatively affordable. That's why you'll still find Small Block 350 engines running strong in trucks and project cars after hundreds of thousands of miles. But while the 350 represents American durability, the next engine on this list proves reliability isn't limited to V8s. Number 12, Subaru EJ22 engine. This 2.2-liter flat-4 powered models like the Subaru Legacy and Subaru Impreza throughout the 1990s. And if you've spent any time around longtime Subaru mechanics, you've probably heard the same thing over and over again. The EJ22 just refuses to die. On paper, the specs look simple. It's a 2.2-liter boxer engine with a timing belt and modest power output. Nothing flashy, but that simplicity is exactly what helped it last so long. The EJ22 was built with thick cylinder walls and strong internal components, which made it far more durable than many later Subaru engines. It also runs relatively low compression, meaning the internal parts aren't constantly under extreme stress. Another thing mechanics love about this engine is how forgiving it is. Even when maintenance isn't perfect, many EJ22s continue running without major failures. That's a big reason why you'll still see older Subarus on the road today with 300,000, 400,000, or even 500,000 miles on the original engine. For a compact 4-cylinder, that kind of durability is rare. But Subaru wasn't the only company quietly building small engines that could run almost forever. The next one came from a brand better known for lightweight sports cars. Number 11, Mazda BP engine. If you've ever driven the original Mazda MX-5 Miata, then you've experienced this engine. Mazda also used it in several compact cars during the late 80s and 90s, but it was the Miata that really proved just how tough this motor could be. At its core, the BP is a 1.8-liter naturally aspirated inline-4. No turbocharger, no complicated systems, just a simple, well-balanced engine designed to deliver reliable performance for years. But the real secret lies in its construction. The BP engine has a very strong bottom end, with durable internals that can handle far more stress than the factory power output suggests. That's one reason enthusiasts love modifying these engines. They can take a surprising amount of abuse without falling apart. Even when left completely stock, the BP has a reputation for incredible longevity. Many owners report engines running well past 300,000 miles, and it's not unusual to see examples crossing 400,000 or even 500,000 miles with basic maintenance. For such a lightweight sports car engine, that kind of lifespan is impressive. Now let's head back to American engineering, because the next engine-powered work trucks that simply refuse to quit. Number 10, Ford 300 inline-6 engine. Do you know the best-selling vehicle in America? The Ford F-150, and it's also American-made. For decades, many of these trucks were powered by one of the toughest engines ever built. Ford used this engine from 1965 to 1996, and it's no wonder why it lasted so long. The 300 is a 4.9-liter inline-6 with a massive cast-iron block, a long crankshaft built for torque, and a simple pushrod valve train that mechanics know inside and out. What makes it legendary is its low-stress design. It wasn't chasing horsepower, just steady, reliable torque, perfect for hauling, towing, and farm work. That conservative engineering is why these engines can survive decades of hard use. In fact, a 1976 F-150 owned by a Montana rancher reportedly logged 703,000 miles on its original Ford 300 engine. That's right, over 700,000 miles without a major rebuild. And mechanics all over the country have seen similar trucks quietly surpass 500,000 miles. This is the kind of engine that proves American engineering can be simple, rugged, and nearly unstoppable. Next, we're switching gears to Europe, where BMW built a luxury engine during their durability era that's just as respected by mechanics. Number 9. BMW M30 engine. Now we're heading across the Atlantic to Germany, where engineering precision meets longevity. The BMW M30 engine is one of those motors that makes enthusiasts and mechanics nod in respect, even decades after it was first built. This straight-six engine powered classic BMWs like the BMW 5 Series, E34 and older 7 Series sedans from the 1970s through the 1990s. Back then, BMW wasn't just chasing speed. They focused on durability, smoothness, and over-engineering every component. The M30 features a forged crankshaft, sturdy iron block, and robust cylinder head design. It's a naturally aspirated engine with a pushrod-free overhead cam layout that keeps things simple yet precise. These engines were built to run strong at high RPMs for years, which is why they became a favorite among long-term BMW owners. Mechanics have seen M30s surpass 500,000 miles with consistent maintenance, oil changes, timing chain care, and cooling system attention. Unlike modern engines loaded with electronics, these were mechanically straightforward, which made them easier to repair and harder to break. The BMW M30 proves that luxury and longevity aren't mutually exclusive. You could enjoy smooth performance without sacrificing durability. But now, let's shift to Japan, where a high-revving Honda 4-cylinder engine showed that even small engines could achieve incredible longevity. Number 8. Honda K20 engine. Majority of you have these engines, and I'm pretty sure you don't even know it. Yes, if you own a Honda Civic Si, Acura RSX, or even some Honda Accord models from the early 2000s, there's a very good chance there's a Honda K20 engine sitting under your hood. The K20 is a 2.0-liter inline-4 that surprised a lot of people with how durable it is, especially considering how high it revs. This isn't some slow truck-style engine. It's built to handle performance, yet still last for hundreds of thousands of miles. Mechanics love it because of its excellent oiling system, strong internals, and reliable cooling, all of which keep the engine running smoothly, even under stress. Many K20s have been known to reach 400,000 to 500,000 miles with just regular maintenance. And here's the thing, it's not just about mileage. This engine proves that lightweight, high-revving performance engines can survive if they're engineered well. That's why enthusiasts still chase stock K20s for swaps and builds today. Now let's jump back to trucks, where Toyota showed how unstoppable a simple engine can be. Number 7. Toyota 22 RE engine. Now we're getting into the legendary part of the list. Honestly, it's hard to rank these engines because all of them are true road legends, but the Toyota 22 RE engine deserves its spot. The 22 RE isn't just any engine, it's found all over the world. Ever heard of the Toyota Hilux? Yes, the same rugged truck used in the Middle East. You'll also see it across Africa, Europe, and right here in America, powering vehicles like the Toyota 4Runner. What makes this engine so durable is its simple fuel-injected design, strong cast-iron block, and conservative engineering. It's not about flashy horsepower, it's about reliability under any conditions, from scorching deserts to icy mountains. Mechanics and owners consistently report 500,000 miles or more on original engines. That kind of durability explains why the 22 RE has earned a reputation as one of Toyota's most reliable motors ever. Next, we move to a luxury engine that proves you don't have to be a truck to live a long life. Number 6. Toyota 1 UZF-E engine. Moving further up the legendary list, we have the Toyota 1 UZF-E engine, Toyota's first fully aluminum V8. This engine isn't just about power, it's about precision, smoothness, and long-term durability, which is why it earned a near-mythical reputation among luxury car enthusiasts. The 1 UZF-E appeared in vehicles like the Lexus LS 400, Lexus SC 400, and Toyota Celsior. Toyota designed it to compete with high-end German V8s, but they also made sure it could run for decades without major issues. The block is all aluminum, yet it's incredibly strong, and the internals were built to aircraft-level tolerances, which means every component fits and operates with minimal stress. What makes the one UZ-FE stand out is how smooth it runs. The forged crankshaft, strong rods, and efficient oiling system all work together to keep this V8 reliable even under long highway drives or heavy daily use. Many of these engines have easily surpassed 500,000 miles with routine maintenance, oil changes, cooling care, and belt checks. Even today, enthusiasts swap one UZ-FEs into modern builds, trusting their proven bulletproof design. It's proof that a luxury engine doesn't have to be fragile. Toyota showed that performance, smooth operation, and longevity could coexist. Next up is a diesel legend from Germany, an engine famous for surviving hundreds of thousands of miles without complaints. Number 5, Mercedes OM 617 diesel engine. Now we cross into diesel territory, and there's one engine that has practically become a symbol of durability, the Mercedes OM 617 engine. This straight-5 diesel powered the Mercedes-Benz W123 series, including sedans, wagons, and utility models during the late 1970s and 1980s. What makes the OM 617 remarkable is its mechanical simplicity combined with overbuilt components. It uses a thick iron block and forged internals designed to withstand decades of high-compression operation. Its mechanical fuel injection is predictable, repairable, and virtually immune to neglect or poor quality fuel. The numbers speak for themselves. Many OM 617s have crossed 500,000 to 700,000 miles on the original engine, with some rare examples reportedly hitting over 1 million miles. A W123 taxi in Europe famously ran for hundreds of thousands of miles without needing a rebuild, maintaining reliable operation and impressive fuel economy. Part of the secret is the diesel's low RPM torque. It doesn't scream at high revs. It works steadily, efficiently, and stress-free, making it perfect for daily drivers, taxis, and long-distance haulers. This engine shows how smart engineering and simplicity can outlast almost anything else on the road. And while Mercedes proved longevity with diesel, the next engine would take that same principle to the American pickup world. Number 4, Cummins 5.9-liter 12-valve diesel engine. Back in the US, there's one diesel engine that truck owners and mechanics practically worship. Found in Dodge Ram 2500 trucks from the late 1980s through the late 1990s, this engine earned a reputation for being nearly indestructible. What sets the 5.9-liter 12-valve apart is its mechanical simplicity. It uses a non-electronic, mechanically injected system, which means there's nothing digital to fail. The iron block, forged crank, and heavy-duty rods were designed for continuous heavy-duty work. Hauling, towing, farm duty, you name it. Owners have reported these trucks crossing 700,000 miles, 800,000 miles, and in rare cases, even over 1 million miles without a full engine rebuild. Unlike modern diesels, the 12-valve thrives on consistent basic maintenance, like oil changes, fuel filter swaps, and keeping the cooling system in check. It's also famously torque-rich at low RPMs, making it perfect for pulling massive loads without straining the engine. That combination of strength, simplicity, and efficiency is why the Cummins 5.9-liter 12-valve still has a cult following today. This engine proves that sometimes the most reliable power isn't about horsepower. It's about durability you can count on for decades. Next, we shift back to Toyota, where a heavy-duty V8 carried the same principle into SUVs and trucks. Number 3, Toyota 2 UZ-FE engine. Some people would rate this as the best engine ever made, and I wouldn't disagree. The engine is a 4.7-liter V8 built for durability, used in heavy-duty vehicles like the Toyota Land Cruiser, Toyota Sequoia, and Toyota Tundra. What makes the 2 UZ-FE special is its massive iron block, forged internals, and overbuilt bottom end. Toyota designed this engine not to chase horsepower, but to survive decades of hard use, towing, off-roading, and daily driving under heavy loads. Here's a concrete example. A 2007 Toyota Tundra, owned by Victor Shepard, reportedly reached over 1 million miles in just 9 years, all on its original 2 UZ-FE engine. That's right, 1 million miles without a rebuild, proving just how bulletproof this motor can be. Mechanics also praise its reliable cooling system and conservative tuning, which reduce stress on internal components even under extreme conditions. Many examples continue running strong past 500,000 to 700,000 miles, making it a favorite for long-haul reliability enthusiasts. The 2UZ-FE shows that with smart engineering, a V8 can be as tough as any truck or diesel, yet still smooth and refined enough for SUVs and luxury vehicles. And now, we are in the best two. Number 2. Toyota 2JZ. Now we're entering legendary territory, and few engines inspire as much respect as the Toyota 2JZ engine. This 3.0-liter inline-six isn't just famous for performance, it's also incredibly durable, which is why it often sits near the top of engines that last forever lists. The 2JZ appeared in cars like the Toyota Supra, Lexus GS300, and the Toyota Aristo. What makes it special is the legendary strength of its iron block and forged internals, designed to handle enormous power, even in tuned, high-horsepower builds. Mechanics often point out that these engines can survive hundreds of thousands of miles even under extreme conditions. The combination of robust lubrication, over-engineered components, and conservative factory tuning means the 2JZ isn't just a street machine, it's a longevity machine. Some engines are still running strong well past 500,000 miles, even after being pushed far beyond stock power. It's rare to find an engine that combines high performance, tunability, and extreme reliability, but the 2JZ proves it's possible. That's why enthusiasts respect it both on the track and as a daily driver. Finally, we arrive at an engine that takes longevity to the absolute extreme. A motor so durable, it's tied to a record-breaking mileage car. Number 1, Volvo B230F engine. And finally, we reach the pinnacle of longevity, the Volvo B230F engine. If any engine deserves the crown for durability, it's this one, and no story proves it better than Irv Gordon's Volvo 240. Irv's car isn't just famous, it's legendary. Over decades of careful driving, his Volvo, powered by a B230F, crossed an astounding 3 million miles. That's right, 3 million miles on the original engine. To put it in perspective, most cars today are retired somewhere around 200,000 miles. Yet this engine kept running, day after day, year after year. So how did it last so long? The B230F was built for conservative reliability, not performance. It features a thick iron block, durable internals, and straightforward engineering that minimizes stress on every component. It doesn't chase horsepower or flashy numbers. Its design focuses on simply lasting as long as humanly possible. Regular maintenance, oil changes, timing belt service, and cooling system care kept it going. Irv's Volvo proves a powerful lesson. When an engine is built smart, simple, and strong, it can truly outlive generations of drivers. These 13 engines prove that durability isn't luck, it's smart engineering. If you enjoyed this deep dive into legendary motors, like, share, and subscribe for more videos on car reliability, long-lasting engines, and tips to keep your vehicle running forever.